In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your calendar when scheduling in the Hubspot CRM. This feature is currently in beta, and I'm excited to guide you through this process step by step. Whether you're new to HubSpot or have been using it for a while, this guide will help you streamline your scheduling efforts, allowing you to keep track of your calendar effortlessly within the CRM. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or search for HubSpot. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually at the top right corner, making it easy to find. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have everything you need on hand: username, password, and any authentication method you use. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home. It's a great starting point to access all the tools you need. From here, your next stop is the CRM. You'll find it listed in the main navigation menu. A quick tip for you: if you use the CRM often, consider bookmarking it for even faster access in the future. Moving on, after clicking on CRM, you should see the option for contacts. Click on that and you'll arrive at a page that lists all the contacts you've added to the system. It's always good to see your contacts in HubSpot, as it helps you manage your customer interactions more efficiently. Now, what you want to do is select a contact. You can do this by simply clicking on the name of the person relevant to your scheduling task. Now that you're on the contact's profile, there's a range of actions you can take to manage interactions. You'll want to look for the meeting option. It's a feature that lets you initiate scheduling directly from the contact's profile. Just click on meeting, and this is where the magic happens. At this point, you should see your calendar pop up as part of the scheduling interface. This allows you to check your availability directly while setting up meetings. You can pick a date and time that works seamlessly for you and the contact you're interacting with. The calendar is integrated into this feature to make your workflow smooth and keep your scheduling on point. With these steps, you're all set to see and manage your calendar within HubSpot CRM while scheduling. No more jumping between different platforms or windows. Everything is right there at your fingertips. I hope this guide helps you become more productive and efficient with your time management. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.